Hi guys, this is Momo. Today I'm in Shinjuku now. I'm so hungry right now, so I'm going to show you guys noodle places. Two noodle places. First would be Tsurutontang. So let's go, let's eat. I have favorite one. Where is it? Oh, I found it. This is my favorite. Dark broth udon. This one. Oh, you can choose like cold or warm. I would go for cold. And thin noodle or normal noodle. So I would go for normal noodle, normal udon, and you can choose like half of it, normal, 1.5, 2. So it's like amount how much you eat. This is like 2.5, 3, and until 3 you can choose for free. Okay, I'll go for half. Here, it's my udon. It's arrived. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. I'm so hungry. I wanted to eat this. So I chose cold udon. So like on here, it's cold, like cold udon. But this soup is warm. So like, I don't like the udon, like udon texture a little softer. I like a little hard texture. So I chose cold. This is so good. I'm finished so quickly. Oh, it's so good. Okay, I'm done eating. It's so good. But I'm still hungry. I have some more space, so next I'm going to eat ramen. So after payment, let's go eat ramen. Tsurutontang was so good. You should try it, everyone. Yeah, I love it. I love that menu. So next place would be Nagi. It's a ramen place. And this is my first time to go to that ramen place, so I'm so excited. I went to Nagi, but like it wasn't open. So I'm going to another one. It named Hosenka. Ramen Hosenka. I'm so excited because it should be so good. I'm so excited. So let's go to Hosenka. Look at this. Looks so good. Love it. So good. すごい。This is so good. This is my type of ramen. Not too strong taste. I usually give this myanmar to my friend, like when I eat ramen, but I try this time. So good. I could eat ramen.